Okay, so this is a second question on binomial theorem and expansions. So let's have a look. Write down the first three terms in ascending powers of x. So ascending means x is going up. So we're just going to write this straight away using shortcut method. It's 1 to the 12, 1 to the 11, 1 to the 10. And then the second term, p of x to the 0, p of x all to the 1. And keep that px in a bracket to the 2, because you can see that we're going to square the p as well as the x. And the binomial coefficient's 1, then 12, then this is 12 choose 2 here. But note that 12 choose 2 is 12 times 11 over 2 times 1. So you can actually get this answer quite quickly. It's equal to 66, all right? Obviously, if it's a calculator paper, you can just write that answer straight down from the calculator. But if it's not, you have to have a way of generating that number. Okay, so 12C2, 12 choose 2. Remember, you just write down this number first, and then 2 of them divided by this number factorial. Okay, further, 12 choose 3, this number, 3 of them, 12, 11, 10, over this number factorial. Okay, so that's shortcut top tips. Alright, we are going to expand these. So the first term is 1, the second term is 12 times p times by x, and the third term is 66 p squared x squared, and it goes on. Okay, so given that in the expansion the coefficient of x is negative q, okay, so we're just going to highlight this now. The coefficient of x is this guy here, and that's equal to negative q. So 12p equals to negative q. That's going to be equation 1, because there's p and q unknowns. So 2 equations, 2 unknowns. And the coefficient of x squared is 11q. So here's the coefficient of x squared. It is a positive. So 66p squared equals to 11q. There's 2. And then let's just go about. Usually we just rearrange and substitute in. So I'm going to rearrange for q here. Q equals to negative 12p. And substitute in here. So 66p squared equals 11 times by q. That's 66p squared. If you bring the negative across to being positive, and then we factorize. Okay, so don't forget to factorize here. I'll actually take out 66p. This is p plus 2 equals 0. So therefore p equals 0, or p equals to negative 2. Alright, now just let's check the value of p and the value of q. Can p be 0? Well, if p is 0, there is no second term. So p can't be 0. P must be negative 2. Okay? And then we'll go substitute back in to 1. And we've got q equals negative 12 times by p, which is 24. Okay, there's no need to go back and double check and triple check, but that is hopefully how you get the right answer.